light on the whiskey, dark on the street. We would go missing, get into anything. Tell me, baby, why do you do me like you do? I see blue like velvet when it comes to you. One for the money, two for the summer, three for the golden rule, four 'cause I want you, five's just to show you it feels like when I saw you. Keep it together, going 98. I'll love you forever, as long as we both can take. And I've heard it before, and they say it's true. They say blue like velvet when it comes to you. One for the money, two for the summer, three for the golden rule, four 'cause I want you, five just to show you it feels like when I saw you. Ooh, like velvet, velvet. Suitcase, cigarettes, got an old soul and a Rolodex. Sweet to you and the opposite, black tie, black law. Now you want me, now you don't. Tell me that you will, but I know you anyway. So why'd you even call? You know I never wanted you at all. Chest, empty and obsessed, couldn't care less. Black tie. Now you want me, now you don't. Tell me that you will, but I know you won't. You never liked me anyway. So why'd you even call? You know I never wanted you at all. If you're looking for trouble, you found it. If you're looking for trouble, I'm right here. If you're looking for trouble, you found it. Breathe, let it all out. Watch you burn in the deep. You know who you're talking to. I'm a boss in the smoke. Breathe, let it all out. I wanna watch you burn in the deep. You know who you're talking to. I'm a boss in the smoke. Trouble, you found it. If you're looking for trouble, I'm right here. If you're looking for trouble, you found it. Breathe, let it all out. I wanna watch you burn in the deep. You know who you're talking to. I'm a boss in the small. watch it burn in the deep. You know who you're talking to. I'm a boss in the smoke. Breathe, let it all out. I wanna watch it burn in the deep. You know who you're talking to. I'm a boss in the smoke.
The whole world spinning around. You got a marble office and that evil in your eye. I see your nice clothes and then the dirty power inside. Red's been climbing up, baby, now it's over the line. And clean suits, dirty power, dancing with your dollar. You put your money in the flowers. In your clean suit, dirty power, dancing with your dollar. You put your money in the flowers. The whole world is spinning around you. The whole world is spinning around you.
I see your nice clothes and then the dirty power inside. Red been climbing up, baby, now it's over the line. A clean suit, dirty power, dancing with your dollar. You put your money in the flowers. Your clean suit, dirty power, dancing with your dollar. You put your money in a flower. In your clean suit, dirty power, dancing with your dollar. You put your money in a flower. The whole world is spinning around. The whole world is spinning around you. The whole world is spinning around you. The whole world is spinning around you.
rose gold authoritative rolls over me, a stone's throw away, too close to stay. And I hope for better, but my hope gets better. We all become dirt, but it don't hurt. We all become dirt, we all become dirt. Froze in a moment, lost and not knowing it's all I made. It's all I made. The smoke and haze, and I hope for better, but my hope gets better. We all become dirt, but it don't hurt. We all become dirt, we all become dirt. You always win when we play Monopoly. You get mad if I win, and if I lose, you say I'm a dummy. I feel your words coming for me, and when I think that I'm out, you pull me back in. And I try to go to sleep, but your words that come from me. I try to go to sleep, but your words that come from me. I try to go to sleep, but your words that come from me. I try to go to sleep, but your words that come from me. mad if I win, and if I lose, you say I'm a dummy. I feel your words coming for me, and when I think that I'm out, you pull me back in. Try to go to sleep, but your words, they come from me. I try to go to sleep, but your words, they come from me. I try to go to sleep, but your words, they come from me. I try to go to sleep, but your words, they come from me.
This town is filled with silence, and everyone's alone. When I reach out my hand, I see my fingers grow. They keep me on the phone, telling me what's wrong. Every person in this city feels alone. What have I become? Oh, and where am I from? In the morning, my alarm, it rings the same old song. It keeps me on the phone, telling me what's wrong. Every person in this city feels alone.
like to take it slow. Don't you love the pain? We go out to a party and you run into your ex-girlfriend. She's the type of woman men feel quietly, but I still want you to want me. Don't let me be misunderstood. I could be good for you. Don't let me be misunderstood. I could be good for you. I could be good for you. Make a mess of my bed, I make a mess of your mind. You say you're gonna call me later, but you never call me later. I'm the type of woman men feel quietly, but I still want you to want me. Don't let me be misunderstood. I could be good for you. Don't let me be misunderstood. I could be good for you. I could be good for you. Give me the strong stuff in a plastic cup. If it ain't strong enough, then don't top it up. Give me a real drink that can really think, like I was made in the shade in a native scene. You got the high card, but you couldn't win didn't shuffle. You were dealing them in, so what you putting on the table? I bet you're so untouchable. But that's what the whiskey's for. You're just so untouchable. But that's what the whiskey's for. Give me a few months, I won't need it now. But just for now, I'm not defeated now. If it were free, I would be leaving now. And on the weekend, I would sneak it out. I get the feeling like I'm back in school. I never learned, but you could teach me a few. So what you putting on the table? I bet you're so untouchable. That's what the whiskey's for. You're just so untouchable. But that's what the whiskey's for. What you putting on the table? What you putting on the table? Sit back, keep a look on the door. Don't let me leave without some sort of answer. There's a ghost who won't stop moaning in the corner of this big wide room. Who could it be? Could it be me? And there are footprints on the say you're looking for a new pair, but it's a chair not meant to share. They don't understand me, but it's not really their job to understand. Somehow it always comes back to them. Maybe I am the ghost. Oh, how fitting, what a fitting end, to be forgotten by a friend. This is a lot for me to take in, and there are footprints on the floor, but I've never been here before. You say you're looking for a new pair, but it's a chair not meant to share.